Best morning habits to enhance your productivity and success. The first 3 hours of the day are the most valuable in terms of productivity, according to psychologist Ron Friedman. Your mornings set the tone for the rest of the day. If you start your day off right, it's likely that you'll feel better for the rest of it. Different routines work for different people, but there are several universally beneficial behaviors that you might want to include into your own. 1. Begin your morning the night before. The most effective way of guaranteeing a productive day is to set an intention for the goals you expect to achieve on the next day with a clear action plan. Being productive necessitates the use of planning. Making to-do lists and planning your outfit or packing your bags the night before reduces the amount of analytical thinking we have to do in the morning, allowing us to keep focused on our goals and making consistent progress toward them. Number 2. Wake up early. When we don't give ourselves enough time in the morning, we're constantly rushing. And that anxiety follows us throughout the day, depleting our mental capacity and productivity. According to research, many successful people get up well before the workday begins. By doing so, you can exercise, walk your dog, pray or meditate. Spend time with family, and get a head start on the day before your responsibilities wear you down. Number 3. Drink water. Water is necessary for cell function, and dehydration can result in decreased energy and brain function, which is not conducive to productivity and success. 6 to 8 hours of recommended nightly sleep is a long time to go without drinking anything. Drinking a glass or two of water first thing in the morning hydrates the body and stimulates the urge to move the bowel, which helps to cleanse and regulate your digestive tract. Bring a large glass of water to bed with you and drink it as soon as you wake up in the morning. Add a slice of lemon for extra hydration and to jumpstart your digestion. 4. Make your bed in the morning. Making the bed may seem like a minor accomplishment, but it sets the tone for the rest of the day. According to science writer Judy Dutton, an organized environment can positively impact our mental state, and making our beds in the morning helps us start the day with a sense of accomplishment. Number 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude can be expressed in a variety of ways, including praying, repeating an inspirational quote, or spending a portion of your morning commute reflecting on 2 or 3 things or events for which you are grateful. Regardless of how you do it, incorporating gratitude into your morning routine can be transformative. It has far-reaching effects that go beyond simply improving your mood for the day. Each of these small moments adds up to create a web of positive emotions that promote well-being, drive you to work more, enhance your mental health, and help deepen your connections with others over time. 6. Do some form of workout or exercise. Many successful people, including Mark Zuckerberg and Richard Branson, begin their days with some form of physical activity. Science suggests a connection between mental acuity, memory, and physical activity. Working out causes your brain to secrete a chemical called a neurotrophic factor, which improves concentration, memory, mental stamina, creativity, speed of learning, and stress reduction. Even just 10 minutes of exercise can get you to feel invigorated and ready for the day ahead. 7. Eat a healthy breakfast. Preparing a nutritious meal is one of the most crucial aspects of a good morning routine. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day for a reason. It refills your body after hours of fasting and properly fuels our bodies, resulting in more consistent energy levels as well as feeling more alert and focused. Carbs and proteins, according to experts, are the winning breakfast mix. Carbohydrates provide energy to start the day, whereas proteins keep you full until lunch. Focused, productive, successful mornings build focused, productive, successful days, which inevitably create a successful life, says Hal Elrod, author of The Miracle Morning. Adopting healthier morning routines can be difficult at first, but as you get into the groove of things, it becomes second nature. Whatever morning habits you choose, the key is to remain consistent. Now that you have the knowledge and tools that you need, it's time to start the plan and execute your healthy morning routine. Don't put it off any longer. Tomorrow is the best day to begin. If you found this video valuable and want to continue your quest for personal growth and success, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Also, share this video with your friends and family who could benefit from these morning routine tips. Thank you for being a part of our community, and remember, each day is a new opportunity to be your best self. So, let's seize it together. Until next time, stay awesome, stay motivated, and have an incredible day.